And I actually have a brow.
I'm a savage, Fenty full face for a bad bitch in a new lace, banging body, bendo displace. Got some long nails on my thick waist.
And honestly, you can use a little bit of edge control for this. But first, you want to get your eyebrows to be kind of glued down almost. And I actually have a brow glue, but I want to show y'all a trick that I learned long ago, which is to just use a little bit of edge control to lay your eyebrow hairs down. One of the influencers that I follow, um, the Glam Naja, she does soap brows very often and they be so cute. So honestly, if you want to just leave it like this, you can, but I'm not gonna leave it like this because I want it to match my hair. But anyway, now you want to take your concealer, and I'm using my Ulta concealer right now, and continue with those hair-like strokes. And as you can see, my eyebrows are a little bit thin because I shave it so much. So if you want it, if you have thin eyebrows like me, it's gonna be hard to get those hairs, but we're gonna come in later after we apply our product, and then we're going to fix that. Now you want to make them the shape that you want after you've done those hair-like strokes. So I make mine a little bit bigger than my natural eyebrows. I don't know why. I came into makeup with 2016 eyebrows. That's why I always make them a little bit bigger than their natural shape. So now I'm taking some Morphe finishing powder, and this is their banana powder, and I'm applying that over the concealer. And the reason I'm doing this is because concealer takes a while to dry, and sometimes it need a little bit of help. I'm going to go in with this NYX I Know That's Bright palette. And as you can see, I really dig into the palette, and that's because I want my eyebrows to be very pigmented. And as you can see, I'm breaking this palette down a little bit more because that's how I get the pigment that I want. Oh, look at that. She's pretty. Okay. So now I have applied my eyeshadow. So now I'm going to go back in with that Ulta concealer. And this is just the box out method. So basically you create a box around your eyebrows, and that's how you get it to be more shapely. And you want to be careful at the top because you want that shape, but you also don't want it to look unnatural. So I go slower at the top. I feel like I have more leeway at the bottom because it's just the eyelid and I can just do that. But this top part, I gotta actually look at what I'm doing. Another trick I've been trying is to put powder between between layers. And that's just to help the concealer dry a little faster. Because like I said, concealer be taking forever to dry. But yeah, that's how I do my colored eyebrows. Nobody asked, but I just felt like doing a colored eyebrow routine because look at the material. And honestly, I mix it a little bit. So this is the black opal concealer. I mix those and then I blend them out because one thing I really hated about 2016 eyebrows was the fact that you could see like the white. concealer. I wasn't supposed to put this concealer on. I was supposed to put my primer on. I'm talking too much. I need to focus on what I'm doing. But anyway, I really hate it when you can see like the white residue, from the concealer. Just trying to make that look a little more natural. So that's why I blend a darker concealer on top of my lighter concealer so that I won't have that residue. Okay. That shit got in my mouth. So we're gonna go in with some Freezy. I was supposed to put this all over my face.
It was here that I fucked up. And honestly, my face was looking a little crazy, but that's not the point of this video, so we gonna skip ahead.